Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Hey everyone, welcome to Yoga for You. I'm Kristin and I'll be guiding you through loving kindness meditation. I hope you enjoy the practice and benefit from the practice. So let's go ahead and just find a comfortable seated position. If it feels good to you, I invite you to close your eyes or soften your eyes. And just relax and settle. Settling into the body, settling into the breath. And just bringing your awareness to the breath. I invite you to bring to your mind's eye an image of your ancestors or a teacher or a guide in your life. Someone who's walked the path before you, a path of wisdom and compassion, and shown us the way in some way. I invite you to offer love and kindness to this teacher or guide or saint or sage. May you be filled with love and kindness. May this guide in my life be well. May they be peaceful and at ease. And may this guide in my life be free. And just noticing any felt sense of love and kindness in your body. And imagining that feeling move from you to this guide in your life, to your ancestors, to the saints and sages. And I invite you to offer the same love and kindness to yourself. Maybe bringing to your mind's eye an image of your younger self. The younger self that always resides within us, that inner child, full of awe and wonder, curiosity, maybe imagining yourself as you were when you were 5, what you might have looked like and what you enjoyed doing. And knowing that little 5-year-old self still resides within. Let's offer that child love and kindness. May I be filled with love and kindness. May I be well. May I be peaceful and at ease. And may I be free. And just noticing any felt sense of love and kindness residing within your body, maybe at your heart center. Taking a few breaths here, feeling into that felt sense of love and kindness. I invite you to bring to your mind's eye someone that you love. Someone, the moment you think of them, brings a big smile to your face. It can be someone who's living or someone who's passed on. Maybe animal kin in your life or a child. Anyone for whom you have great affection. Imagining their energy, maybe of warmth and love, their care. And let's wish them well. May this loved one in my life be filled with love and kindness. May they be well. May they be peaceful and at ease. And may they be free. And just imagining any felt sense of love and kindness move from you, from your heart directly to this loved one in your life. And I invite you to bring to your mind's eye anyone who's crossed your path. Maybe in home or at work or in school or as you're out in your community. Maybe the helpers in our lives. Just bringing this person who's crossed your path into your mind's eye. And let's wish them well. May this person who's crossed my path be filled with love and kindness. May they be well. May they be peaceful and at ease. And may they be free. And just imagining any love and felt sense of kindness move from you out to this person who's crossed your path. I invite you to bring to your mind's eye someone who you find difficult to love for whatever reason. Someone for whatever reason you find might be hard to love at this time in your life. And bringing this person to your mind's eye, maybe noticing the sense of conflict or hurt, frustration, or maybe misunderstanding, whatever it may be. Let's also wish this person love and kindness. May this person who I find hard to love at this time be filled with love and kindness. May they be well. May this person who's hard to love be peaceful and at ease. And may they be free. And just imagining the love and kindness in your heart move from you out to this person, wherever they may be. And I invite you to bring to your mind's eye all of these people, your ancestors and guides, yourself, the ones you love, the people who've crossed your path, the people who are difficult to love, and anyone else that you might think of in your community. Imagining all these people and your community in your mind's eye. And let's wish our communities well. May our communities be filled with love and kindness. May everyone, everywhere, be well. May we all be peaceful and at ease. And may everyone, everywhere, be free. And just imagining any felt sense of love and kindness move from you out into the world as far as it can go. And just taking a few breaths here, resting in these feelings of love and kindness. And when you're ready, you can bring your hands to heart center if that feels good to you. Slowly, gently opening your eyes. Thank you for practicing. May the love in me always honor the love in you. Namaste.